Okay, starting off, I have my InDesign open. It is InDesign 2026. I am going to go to New File. I'm just going to customize my document. I am going to switch this to inches, and I'm going to make this the proper size that I need it at, which is 24 inches by 36. And here we can see the number of pages. For now, I'm just going to put 3, and I'm going to turn off my facing pages. And now I'm just going to edit my margins to be at least 1 inch, and I made sure to relink it, that way it's the same all around. Now this is totally up to your own preference, but I'm going to have mine at 1 inch, and I'm going to hit create. So first things first, if your InDesign layout looks different from mine, if you go to the right hand corner where it says essentials, or if it says anything else, it should just have a drop down arrow here. Just go ahead and click it. I am working in essentials. I may have moved around some windows, so if it looks different, don't panic. You can go to this top left corner where it says window, and you can find whatever is missing or whatever I'm working in that you need in here. Now I already have my margins set, but now I'm going to create some columns. I'm going to go to layout, margins and columns. We already have our margins in, and right now we have our columns. It says that we have 1 column and that the gutter is 0. For now, I'm going to see what 3 columns look like. What the gutter is basically just the space in between the columns. So I'm just going to have 1/4 of an inch, which is 0.25, so that we can see how it adjusted right there. And it's also accounting for that margin space of 1 inch. So essentially I have created a visual for me to be able to see if things are lining up, and dividing the page into equal parts. If I hit W on my keyboard and I don't have my page selected, we can see that that is not really there. This is what it will look like when you print it. I am going to go to layout again. I am going to go to create guides, and here we have our rows and columns, and again we can have rows and the gutter will just be the spaces in between, and we can have the guides fit to the margins or the page. I'm going to have the gutter the same space that we inserted last time, and I'm going to make sure that I have preview selected so I can see what that looks like before I hit OK. I'm actually going to change my number of rows to 6, and then I'm going to hit OK. So now my board has a modular grid of rows and columns, which is perfect for aligning images and text. Now what we want to do is turn this into a master page layout. I am going to go to the window tab and hit pages, and it brought me to my pages tab. We can see that here we have this option called A parent, and that every single page has the letter A on it. Now the A parent, whatever we add to the A parent will show up on any pages that are labeled with that parent. So now I'm going to edit that parent page by double clicking on it. So anything placed on this parent page will appear on all pages using a master. So I'm going to add a rectangle in and have it more or less like this. I'm going to scooch it up so that it hits the very bottom of that margin. Luckily, it'll snap to any line that is a guide. I'm going to edit the properties of this and have it be a kind of grayish rectangle. I'm just going to go to edit appearance and fill that in. Now I'm just going to add in my text. I'm going to write in project title, which for now is going to be my placeholder, but I'm going to change this to a font that I am going to use consistently throughout my boards. Another neat thing that you can do using your master pages is insert your page numbers so that they automatically start counting. So I'm going to use my text tool. I'm going to draw that where I want the page number to be, but I'm not going to just type in my own number, because then it'll do the same thing for every single page and it will not be counting. Instead, I'm going to go to the type window. I'm going to go to insert special character. I'm going to go to markers, and I'm going to hit current page number. Right now it is just displaying an A, but that is just indicating that we're in the parent page. And on the real pages, it'll start counting like 1, 2, and 3. And I'm just going to format this before I close out. That way it matches with my text. And so now that I am out of editing that parent page, if I scroll down and look at my other pages, I can see that the same edits that we made on that master page is going to be the exact same on every single board, and we can see that our page number is already counting. Okay, and now I'm going to create a new layer, and I just renamed my first layer to guide. That way I know what layer I'm working in. I'm gonna make sure I'm working in my second layer, and now I'm gonna start placing placeholders. This can be for your images, for your renders, for your diagrams, or for your text. For now, I'm gonna grab my rectangle tool, I'm gonna go to my properties, and then I'm just gonna start drawing and making sure that I'm following the guide that is on the page. I'm gonna zoom in to make sure that it's doing that. And then I'm gonna color in that rectangle, that way I can see where I'm putting it. I'm going to stretch it out so that it's across all 3 columns. And then I'm going to snap it to the bottom. This is going to be a really big image on my board, but I'm making sure that I am following the guidelines even though I'm going over some of them. Right now, I'm going to rename my layer to image blocks. That way I can keep it separate from the text. I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to make sure that I am in the green layer, and I am going to go to my text tool, and I'm going to draw a textbook that fits the perfect size of this little modular part right here. Now I'm going to create paragraph styles. That way we can edit our text pretty fast and have it be consistent. Now I am going to write in something real quick. I'm going to go ahead and edit my font to what I would like. I haven't written any descriptions just yet, so I want to add in some placeholder text. While we're in our text box, we can go to the type tab up here on the left, and I'm going to hit fill with placeholder text. So it's just, basic placeholder text. And now I can see it a little bit better. So now I'm gonna make this a paragraph style. I'm gonna highlight it and go to my right-hand panel where it says paragraph styles. And right now we just have a basic selection. I'm gonna hit this square with the plus in it. It will create a new custom paragraph style. And so I'm going to rename this body text. So that it's renamed, it's saved in our paragraph styles. When I hit this drop down arrow, we can see it among different styles such as body text and whatnot. And now I'm going to add in some more image blocks to where I would want some images to be. So now I want to create a new style for my section headings. So this is going to be stuff that I'm going to name like concept sites, process. So basically anything that I want to call out. I'm going to select my body text paragraph, but I'm going to edit it to be more bold. When I'm done, I'm going to click on that square with the plus sign, and now we have a new paragraph style. I'm just going to name this section heading. I'm going to add a sub heading to this, and I'm going to just edit it. Again, I'm going to create a new paragraph style based off of that. Make sure I am labeling and naming these things so I do not get lost. So now when I hit the drop down arrow, I can see my different paragraph styles, and they're all named perfectly so I know which is which. So now I'm just going to copy and paste and move this over to that one as well. And then let's say that I want to add another guide, but just for aligning the text here. So if we see that we have our rulers up here, if we click and drag on one of them, we can see that we can pull down another guide. But if you want your horizontal guide, you're going to go to the top like this and pull down and move it to where you need it to. So this one, I just want to make sure that it's aligned. And if I wanted it to be vertical, I'm going to do it to the opposite side and pull it out like this. And then now I'm just going to add in my text box. I'm going to type in what needs to be here. And now that I have that selected, if I go to the right-hand side under properties and I go to my text style, I can choose which paragraph style that I've already saved. Now I want this to be a section heading, so I'm going to name that right there. And I'm going to adjust that text by just automatically choosing what I need to. And then I'm going to continue adding some text and image boxes as well. So now I've laid it out pretty basically. This is pretty good to do when you're starting your project and you already want to plan out how your board looks. That way you can just pop in the graphics that you're making. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit W to show you guys what it looks like so far. I could always just print this or just show it to my professor and be like, hey, what do you think? And go from there. But for now, I'm going to start popping in some images and seeing what that looks like. So I'm gonna go to my image blocks tab. I'm gonna click on that block, and now I'm going to add in an image that I want. I'm gonna go to File. I'm gonna go to Place, and then I'm going to select the image that I want. Now make sure you already have that block that you wanted in selected and that you use place, because this will place your image in that block. So I'm gonna hit open. Now it has already inserted it almost perfectly. I'm gonna make sure that my display performance is on high quality display. I'm gonna hit W. So now this is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna zoom in, take a bigger look at what that looks like. Now I'm just gonna continue popping in my images. Now let's say an image that I placed is not fully visible. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it. I'm going to double click until I see this outer border. So this is the image that's inside of the frame. You want to make sure you're selected on that. When I go to my properties tab over here to the right, I'm going to make sure that the link is linked and not crossed in. That way it will resize correctly and it won't mess up the proportions. I'm gonna bring it down to 10 and then I'm going to drag it over. That way it's moving inside of that box. And now that I'm done, I'm just gonna cross out of that and I'm gonna continue placing my images. Now I have my boards at a pretty good point where I can start to see how it's coming to life, and this makes things easier. You know, if this is one of the exercises that you do early on in your project, that way you know what you're aiming for, you know what you want to detail, you know how many pages you need, you know how much text you need to write, or you know how much you need to get rid of. Just remember to save your file, and when you're ready, just export it as a PDF. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope this helped. Bye.